Hello there. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a tactic that you need to do the next time you're out there fishing still water. So I'm out here and fishing today. I'm using indicators and we're varying up what's below, right? Right now, I've got a leech with a mop fly, but this will work if you have really a nymph or a chironomid or just a chironomid, San Juan Morb. Doesn't matter what's below the indicator. If you do this tactic, it is deadly effective. All right, so what it is when you're fishing an indicator, typically, if you go way back into your youth, right, where you're fishing bobbers, you just let it sit and wait for it to go down. With fly fishing, you want to put a little action on the fly. A lot of times I use the figure 8 or finger roll just to put a little action on the fly. And each time you move it just a little bit, boom, the fish take it. This time I just gave the fly a little pop. Oh, look at that big fish over there. Let's see if I can get him. Where the wind comes a big gust of wind. Oh, he's swimming right at me. Oh, I don't know. I have got the magic fly. Maybe my fish will bring some fish over to your indicator. Yeah, the mop again. He's a pretty fish. Look at this guy. Oh, he's probably 4 pounds. Wow. So be sure to do just a little bit of action using your hand, using your fingers, do the finger roll on that indicator, and you will catch more fish, just like this one. That's good fish. Yeah, this is a good little spot right here in our secret lake. Look at this fish. Jeez. Oh, man. He's not happy. Pretty fish. That guy just calmed down for just a hot second. That's a pretty fish. All right, I hope that technique helps you the next time you're out fly fishing to catch a few more fish. Great stillwater tactic. And hey, if you want to learn a little bit more about stillwater tactics, I put a video together right here that goes a little more in depth of different things you can do to catch fish while fishing lakes. All right, everybody, until the next time, fish on.